you're regularly using anything of Facebook, especially the ad account, you might have noticed that finding live chat agent with Facebook or the meta support is very, very difficult. It is hidden somewhere in the corner and you can never find the corner. Also, sometimes the corner keeps changing. I finally found the one and only URL. If you enter it in your browser, any browser, you'll be able to reach that particular page and you can enter all your details. And within 7 minutes, Facebook will assign a certain agent to you so that that person can help resolve the issue with your ad account. Today, I had an issue with my ad account, and in that, the issue is that um, I have added prepaid funds to the account, but I'm not able to use those prepaid funds. And Meta is telling me that, hey, you need to add a recurring payment method, and it is also not taking my credit card. So this is the URL. If you enter this particular URL, I'm going to read it out to you: facebook.com/business support home/contact support, and then you put the UTM code, question mark source is equal to business help center support. If you enter this URL, you will be taken directly to that page where you can enter all the details. Once you enter the details of your issue, the first stage is where you enter the details, and the details are basically understood by a AI, which sums it up and it will give you options. You select the option and then you can go forward. I'm going to give you an example of how this works. So just enter your details here. It is very helpful if you also add the ad account ID and also use words like error and resolve. If I click on the next step, then it says we didn't quite get that. Try describing your issue in a different way or in more detail. So at this stage, you need to describe your issue in more detail or in a way that Facebook's AI support understands that, the AI which works to understand this issue. So I'm going to go and get my ad account ID and paste it here. I've got my ID, I'm pasting that here. Now I'll check if it takes in my issue. Yes, it has taken in because I have entered my ad account ID. Based on what I have written, it kind of summarizes and tells me what the problem is, what it finds the problem as. This is the closest match. Add funds to prepaid balance. Okay, I'm going to select it. If you think at this stage that your issue has not been understood correctly by Meta, then you need to change your description. I'm going to select an ad account right now. Once so you'll basically get a drop down of different ad accounts over here. So you select whichever ad account you need to resolve the case for. Just wait for a bit. So over here it has said that it has given me an option, learn more about adding funds. So at every stage, even if you go to this URL, unless your problem is not solvable by whatever um, available FAQs are there on the Meta ad support or Meta help support, it will still give you options on how you can add funds. You can go on selecting contact support and it will give you more options below that. Now over here I have entered the my problem once again, my email ID, and once you click start chat, it says average wait time is 7 minutes. So once you click on start chat, in about 7 to 10 minutes some agent will get assigned to you, and this is the only way you can chat with a human agent on Meta. So if this video has helped you, make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any problems with Meta ads, or if you need help in running your advertisement to get the most optimized results, get in touch with me.